I'm replacing my wheel speed sensor at night because I'm an idiot. Basically, I replaced the wrong one, so now I gotta redo it. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the best place to jack up the car right there from the back. See my Valvetronic mufflers down here. These are the universal mufflers. All I did was I didn't even have to run the vacuum lines. I just tied it into the stock vacuum lines. Can't really see that, but that was it. And I just bought a valve controller and it works perfectly fine. I'm gonna try and do this as quick as possible. Shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, look at that. That's a long way. Perfect. Stop it right there. Let's go look. That's too far. That's gonna be too far. All right. Yep. Yep, that's good. Let's actually see how hard this is gonna be to replace. Like this. So I could probably do this with the wheel on, honestly. Although you should take it off. I'm gonna do it with the wheel on. See if I can do it, make it more challenging. Crap. Definitely gonna need one of these. And this is the old one for my front one. This is my new one. Doesn't look too bad so far. So first thing I'm gonna do is just replace this one right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's that right there. Find a place to put this flashlight. Yep, there we go. And it's loose. So everyone was making it sound like this is a giant pain in the butt to loosen up, but it's really not that bad. There it is. Let's see if this comes out easy. Doesn't look like that's going to be the case. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. There it is. Wasn't too bad. So now I just got to find out where it goes to. So there's a grommet right there. You can feel that. So I can pull that out. Maybe not. Dang. It's in there good. Okay, that's out. So it's in these little clips, which is different than it was on the front side. I feel like it's gonna put a bunch of dirt in my eyes and we'll look away. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that. So this is it. There's another clip right here. Try not to break it, because I'm sure that's not a cheap repair. So, how does this come out? Okay. So I'm not for sure if I have the right part or not. Where's this go? So it looks like this 15-minute repair is going to take way longer than that. So first thing I'm going to try doing is just getting all these off. 1, 2. Yeah. See if I can get up in there without having to take the wheel off. I'm stubborn, so. Alright, I don't know exactly what size that is. I have a feeling it's probably an 8mm or bigger. I don't even know if I'll need this. I know for sure one of them's 8mm, so I'm gonna grab 8 and a 10. Start there. Okay. This is definitely an 8mm. Yep. No, this is gonna spill so much dirt, so I'm gonna look away. Earlier, when I replaced the other one, I'm talking, it was a cloud of dirt. Not even a cloud, it was like a waterfall of dirt. Came flying at my face. It was bad. See that janky connection I made? This is this OEM right here. Not that one. This is the OEM right here. These are the aftermarket. I just put a splitter on and ran it to my mufflers. I did take the wheel off, but I didn't want to do it on this one because I already got it up in the air. I didn't feel like taking the wheel off. I thought I could do it because I have more room here, and I was sort of right, sort of wrong. All right, let's see if this is a 10mm. Looks like it's an 11 or 12. Okay, I'm the truth. It's 10mm, but it's really, really dirty. I'm probably gonna need an extension for this one. Pull. Oh my gosh, yep, that's a lot of dirt. Oh my gosh. It's like raining dirt, man. I'm just gonna shake it off. You can't see it, but I can feel it. There's so much there. Good night. Oh man. I'm scared to pull anymore. Okay, we're gonna move. Let all that dirt get out. Okay, let's see. There it is. That's not bad. Okay. Actually, this is doable without taking your wheel off. So you see these? Good night. This right here is the wire. Not that one, this one. This grayish one. That's the wire, so we just gotta follow that one. Looks like it's that white one right here. So, just gotta pull that. Oh my gosh. You have no idea how much dirt just came out. Alright, so this one is surprisingly not corroded. The one on my front driver's side was bad. Alright, now watch. I'm gonna pull this out, and it's gonna be like a crap ton of dirt. It's gonna be bad. Alright. You see that? These things get dirty. In fact, a lot of the times if you just clean them, they'll work again, but I don't think this is the case here. My front driver's one, like I said.
Yeah. Oh, seal that dirt.
Oh, seal that dirt? When I replaced that one, it was bad. And I'm just gonna follow it back. So I'm gonna start by plugging this in up here. Oh man, that's bad. The whole, look at that. The whole piece of the plastic just fell off. These plastic pieces are so brittle. It's bad. So
It's in my eyes.
should have wore goggles, but when you do stuff like this, the goggles make it worse sometimes. Okay. And get it in there nice and tight. Squeeze it really good. And then you just click it back into place. Nothing too... Dang it. Got me again. Click that back into place. There's a little bracket here. Probably can't make that out, but I can. A little bit. Okay. Dang it. My eye again. Should have worn glasses, guys, but I didn't think about it. And that goes in here and clips in. There we go. If you take one of these, I can't get it on video. These clips are really annoying, but if you push them out to the side, I don't know if you can see that, if you push it out to the side, instead of pulling it out, it's a lot easier, and then you can just push it back in whenever you're ready. So yeah, pulling it out to the side was easier, so that's undone. This can officially come out. There's the old one. Man. Yeah, that was looking kind of rough. This has to go up and over this right here. Tell you what, doesn't give me a whole lot of confidence whenever car manufacturers put wires like this so close to your springs and your suspension, and they're held in by these little flimsy clips that I literally could break. Actually, I say that, but I was really struggling, so maybe it's not true. Figured it out. So this goes up over this. It's really hard to show any of this. Thought a POV camera would help, but I don't know how well it's actually doing. All right. Yeah, I think that's right. Yep. Locked in.
Gosh, mother freaking dang it.
Yep, that's there's dirt on my wear glasses if you do this. That's everything done. Can bring the car down now. So here's the old one. I don't see anything wrong with it. But I just put on an eBay part, so we're gonna find out if that actually works or not. Ooh. A little bit too quick there. It's okay. As you can see, I did replace the front one. Here's the old one, and that was the wrong one because I read the code wrong. Thought it said front left sensor. It said rear left sensor. So that's my bad. That's kind of what I get for not paying attention. So now we're going to clear the code on MHD. It keeps logging me out. I don't know why. It doesn't like It doesn't like my my Wi-Fi connector. There we go. So as you can see, there's some codes, and we're gonna clear them, and that should fix everything that's going on. So I'm gonna drive on it a little bit, and that's gonna tell me whether or not it actually fixed my problem or if I'm still having it. So I am driving the car a little bit now, and looks like the code cleared, so we're all good. Something I didn't mention is that the sensor I bought is actually an eBay sensor. So I was a little bit nervous to see if it would work, but it did. So if you need wheel speed sensors, you can get some off eBay, and it's probably fine. Because it was either I get one from like ECS Tuning or something like that, and I pay 40 bucks for one of them, or I pay $30 for 4 of them on eBay, and that's what I did. And since it was only like 30 bucks, I was like, I mean, it's not really gonna hurt anything. I might as well just get it, you know, try it out. And it was perfectly fine. So you can do that. Well, if you enjoyed watching me be in pain, then make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing it more. Always something with this car, man. Not really, but I'm always doing something to it. So Thanks for watching again, and subscribe if you want to see more German activity.